So hello and welcome back to Daily Polish Words. Today's word is going to be powiedzieć, to tell, to say, and it's going to be in the perfective aspect. So it's going to be only in future, past, conditional, imperative. So, yeah, because we said the imperfective aspect was mówić, and then the perfective aspect is going to be powiedzieć. So there's no perfective aspect for the verb mówić, so there's another verb which is called, written differently, and it's called powiedzieć. So there's only future and past. Let's start with the future form. Ja powiem. So it's a little bit of change to the word, but it's worth to know because the word wiedzieć means to know, wiedzieć by itself. Powiedzieć means to tell. So if you just know how to conjugate powiedzieć or wiedzieć, you would know how to conjugate both of the words, and they both mean something different, so it's like learning two different verbs. However, let's just start. So powiem, powiesz, ty, on powie, my powiemy, wy powiecie, oni, one powiedzą. I guess it's clear. Now, for the past, all we have to do is remove the ending, the C, as usual, and add wem, łam, łeś, łaś. However, the same in chcieć, in mieć, when we have the E before the C, when we have this ending, the EC, the yech or ech, we're going to have to do some adjustment. For example, here, powiedziałem, not powiedziałem, because we have the eł, not the L, and when we have eł, it's better to change the E to A, so it sounds better. So powiedziałem, ja powiedziałem, ja powiedziałam as a girl, ty powiedziałeś, powiedziałeś, the same, on powiedział, ona powiedziała, ono powiedziało. My powiedzieliśmy. Now it went back to E, powiedzieliśmy, so we kept the IE the same. We just removed the C and replaced it by liśmy. Why? Because we have the L, not the W. Because it's for males in plural. Females in plural, however, my, we, powiedziałyśmy. So we kept the A as in before. Why? Because we have the L again. The same here, powiedzieliście, wy powiedziałyście, oni, one powiedzieli for guys, powiedziały for girls. The conditional is the same thing. We always use the third group of the past, singular, whether or. It was singular or plural, sorry, and we put in front of the verb bym, byś, by, byśmy, byście, byli. I had talked about this many times, and I have a video about the conditional that explain it. I'm gonna link this and I'm gonna put it here so you can see it. And we have the imperative form, which is the ordering form when you want to order someone. So if you want to tell someone to speak, so you say powiedzieć. Okay? You remove everything. Just keep the last consonant. Powiedzieć. Let him speak. Niech powie. Or let her speak. Niech powie. So niech is the let part, let him part, or let her part, and then speak powie. You keep this, as I said before, you keep this in the general conjugation as in the future or the present depend. So powiedzmy, the same as powiedz, we add my to indicate that let's talk, or whatever. Powiedzieć, you talk, you speak, but in plural. Niech powiedzą, let them speak. Okay, I guess now it's obvious. I hope it's obvious. And the gerund for the powiedzieć, the name of it is powiedzenie. Okay, and it means saying. So the saying, or you know what I'm talking about. It depends on the context as well. So there's a saying that says whatever. So jest powiedzenia. People say the saying. So I guess you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's all for this daily word. Thank you and see you tomorrow.